request you kindly wind up. We're really doing badly for time.
Okay. Because Your Excellency, our young people, General Chechiensis are watching us. They are hungry for the order, grace, and integrity that Mama Asiyo led with. Let us not fail them. Let Mama Asiyo legacy be chapter closed, but the torch passed. And rest in power, Mama Asiyo, a woman leader of substance. So let us remember the good qualities of Mama Asiyo, because she embraced us. As I said, I am not only a friend, I'm also a family member and a relative. And therefore, Caesar, I want to say, Mama is not gone. Mama is around. Her spirits are hovering. Look after Mama's legacy and look after Mama's girls, because there was no minute that we never talked about
I'll request we summarize, Madam Zipporah, kindly, so that we may progress with the program. I'll kindly request that we wind up, kindly. Haya basi, naomba tutulie tafadhali ili tuweze kuendelea na ratiba yetu. Naomba tafadhali tutulie, mama.
As I finished,